breakfast time and I am making my favorite masala omelette. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Here I am taking 2 eggs, some chopped onions, green chili, tomato and some coriander leaves, black pepper and a pinch of salt. Whisk it well, that's the secret to a soft and fluffy omelette. Pour the mixture onto a hot pan with a little oil and then cook it. Cook it just the way you like your eggs. Soft, crispy or golden brown. And that's it. We are done. Your masala omelette is ready. Let's try it. Perfect with chai or toast. It's good for morning breakfast.